This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bruce Lieb. Still easy to show at your convenience. Must-see beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage Cypress Model in the Sawgrass Bay section of Heron Bay. The open floor plan with high ceilings allows for lots of natural light. This home features wood floors, crown molding, plantation shutters throughout, impact glass, a gourmet kitchen with natural gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances and upgraded cabinets, tray ceilings in multiple rooms, designer chandeliers, covered lanai, private backyard with free-form pool and spacious brick paver pool deck, and more. Heron Bay is a great place to live with 2 clubhouses, resort-style amenities and great schools. Make an appointment to visit Parkland and view this exceptional location and beautiful home. All bedroom carpeting and 1 AC recently replaced. For more information, review the details below or contact Bruce Lieb at 954-315-6000.